Okay, so let's add some random layers, a rectangle, an ellipse, and some text. Okay, now let's just add some stroke for the sake of the example. And now let's right click, group selection. Now if we're going to try to resize this thing, it will look something like this. If you want it to be resized proportionally, just hold shift and you can resize, right? The shapes will stay proportionate. Now the problem is the border does not scale down and the font size doesn't decrease when you resize like this. So if you want to resize it proportionately and you want to keep the same thickness for the border and the same relative size of the text for the entire group, all you have to do is just switch from move to scale, or just press K, the K short key. And now if you're going to try to resize it, you'll see both the border scales down and the text size, the font size also is getting scaled down. If you're going to double click on the text, you'll notice that it's some non-fixed rounded, it's not a rounded number, basically it's 37.7, so it's usually not sub pixels. And the same thing is going to happen with the border stroke, okay, 4.29. So yeah, that's how you resize the groups, and you make sure they stay proportionate in Figma.